Hi everyone, this is Pavel. Let's talk about structure. When you click on the top left icon, you get navigated to the main dashboard, and that's where you can access the most common sections and the data points that you need. Additionally, here in the middle, you can quickly get access to the databases. This is where you store and structure your custom data. Also on the left, you have access to automation module, AI agents, and databases. As you see, you can access databases from your organization and also from your sidebar from the left sidebar. And let's get inside the workspace. When you click on a workspace, you get into your internal space and a portal space. So internal space is where you work with your team and organize all your knowledge files. And the portal is where you build your microsite. Every workspace has internal space and a portal. When you create a workspace, by default, you have only internal space. Think about Workspace as a container that has internal space and portal. In some cases, you can create a template workspace with a template internal space and template portal, which you can duplicate through automations or manually. Workspaces are usually designated to departments, large projects, or clients. So think about Workspace as the container for a specific purpose. And as I mentioned before, on top of that, you have automations, dashboards, and AI agents that have access to the data. Inside every workspace, you have folders. By default, you have unsorted folder, which you can't delete, but you can create your own folders and subfolders. At the root level, you can create only folders. But once you created folders, you can create subfolders of pages and tasks. If you want to limit access, what you can do is to invite certain peoples into specific folders and subfolders. This works great, especially with the subcontractors when you want a subcontractor to have access only to a specific folder. Additionally, we have tags. Tags are very convenient when you want to have access to pages in one click that located in different folders. For example, we have a marketing page, and I can create a tag, marketing. Now I can go to another folder and I can use existing tag or create a new one. Marketing, and let's use this one as well. Now, as you see here, when I click here, I can have a quick access to all of those 3 pages, and I can bookmark this tag, and in this case, I can access in one click to all of those pages marked as marketing. You can drag and drop folders to different folders and subfolders. Also, you can rename and move or copy your folders to different workspaces. Additionally, you can share your folders and pages publicly. To do that, you need to click here, then click Share, and you're going to have multiple options how you can share it. To recap, this is your organization, and you have automations, dashboards, and AI agents. Then you have workspaces as containers, which by default have internal space. And optionally, you can set up portals. You can create as many folders and subfolders. In every folder and subfolder, you can create pages, databases, and bring other data that you want to host inside your folders.